4 million people have now tested positive for COVID-19 in the United States. That case count has jumped by 1 million in just 15 days. Data compiled by Johns Hopkins University also says more than 143,000 people have died from the virus nationwide. The first recorded case of coronavirus in the United States was on January 21st. President Trump is attributing the rise in new cases to an increase in testing.
COVID-19 is responsible for more than 100,000 deaths across the U.S., and researchers are learning more information about this disease every day. Sam Luther joins us live to explain what new symptoms you should now be looking out for. Sam?
Well, Jessica, we've heard of those common red flags since the pandemic began, of that shortness of breath, cough, fever, and even loss of taste. But now some medical experts are saying that they're looking for even more symptoms that are a possibility. And like much of the public in general, many have questions about COVID-19, and so do the doctors. And new information is being developed over time. Some experts say it's possible that the virus can be linked to a rash inside of the mouth, an inflammatory condition with children, and even a heart attack or stroke. One UAB doctor says right now there's still major question marks as to what's actually a symptom.
And then there's all the weird stuff. And frankly, we're still trying to figure out what the weird stuff is and isn't, how much of it's COVID specific or not. Seen a few cases with pretty unique rashes that appear to be COVID specific, but that's not something I specifically look for yet, because it's not something that we really have a clear signal of what the implications are or what they are.
Now, again, while those UAB doctors are still trying to lock down what is actually a symptom as they do more research and get more information every day, they're having concrete leeway on what's actually going to hopefully cure this virus with a beta testing or clinical trial starting next week at that UAB hospital that hopes to yield positive results. Live this morning from the Breaking News Center, I'm Sam Luther. Good morning, Chattanooga.
Sam, thank you for that update. Primary symptoms for COVID-19, again, are shortness of breath, fever, coughing, and loss of taste and smell.